Introvert ka ba or extrovert? Sa tingin mo, paano naapektuhan ng personality mo ang pag-share ng gospel?
I'm extrovert.
Introvert ako.
I'm actually an introvert.
Maybe a mix of both.
Extrovert ako.
Since it's easier for me to connect with other people, then it would be easier for me to build relationship with them, which is also nice in sharing the gospel.
One of the struggles, aside from being shy, is after sharing the gospel.
Very conscious ako sa perception ng mga ibang tao sa akin.
We tend to overanalyze or overthink things that we said, and then that discourages us to share the gospel the next time.
Mas advantage ito at some point, especially kung nakikipag-usap ka sa maraming tao. Pero di naman natin tinatanggal na pag introvert ka is di ka na makakapag-share.
I think at the end of the day, it's me sharing my story with probably friends or a coworker who probably asked the question to begin with.
It's not the matter of your personality, but it's the matter of God working in you and how you share your faith, especially the gospel.